Hi and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how to convert numeric strings into actual numbers. So by definition, a numeric string is a string value consisting of only an integer or a decimal number. For example, on the screen here, I have declared numeric strings. As you can see, str1 is made up of only an integer number, and str2 and str3 are made up of decimal numbers. So these three strings that I have declared are what we call numeric strings. So they are actually strings, and if you try to perform arithmetic operations on them, you will either get an error or an unexpected result. For example, if I try to perform an addition operation between str2 and str3, I will get an unexpected result. So I do plus str3. If I run, so as you can see in the console, the result it is returning, instead of giving me the result of the addition between the value stored in str2 and the one stored in str3, it is rather giving me the concatenation of these two values. So these are actually strings, so that means that the plus symbol between str2 and str3 here is considered to be a concatenation operator, but not an addition operator. And also, if I try to use the other arithmetic operators between these two strings, I will get an error. As you can see, if I run, I have an error here because I can't use arithmetic operations on strings. So that's why I would like to show you how to convert these strings into actual numbers in order to be able to perform arithmetic operations. So in Java, we can use special methods to convert these numeric strings into actual numbers, like numbers of type integer or float or even double. So let me take the first example, and in that example, I'm going to show you how to convert a numeric string into an integer. And for that matter, I'm going to use the method called Integer.parseInt method. And that method will return an integer value. So I need to declare an integer variable that I will call num. And now I'm going to call my method. So since I want the method to return an integer, so I will write Integer.parseInt, and as the argument of this method, I'm going to write the numeric string I want to convert. So that will be str1. So what is going to happen is that the value stored in the string str1 is going to be converted into an integer value. So in the system.out.println, if I write num, like I want to output the value stored in my integer variable num, I'm supposed to get minus 100 here, as you can see. And to prove that this is actually an actual number, I will perform an arithmetic operation on this one. So I will say num plus 50 and run. I'm supposed to get minus 50. So this is going to be minus 100 plus 50, which is going to give us minus 50. So in the second example, I will show you then how to convert the numeric value into a numeric string into a value of type double. So I will need to follow the same logic by declaring a variable of type double that I will call num, and here I need to change my method. Instead of writing integer, I will write double.parseDouble. Double.parseDouble, and here I will choose to convert str2 into a value of type double and run. So I'm getting 140.5, as you can see here, str2. And to prove that this is actually a number, so I will say num minus 40, which is going to return 100.5. So that's it. And I will do the same thing for values of type float. If I want to convert a numeric string into a value of type float, I will simply change this variable type here by writing float, and my method as well, I will change from double.parseDouble to Float.parseFloat. And here I will choose to convert str3, and I will return the value stored in num. I'm getting 28.69. And to prove that this is actually a number, I will divide this by 4, and I'm supposed to get 7.1725. So guys, this is how you can use this parseInt or parseFloat or parseDouble methods to convert numeric strings into actual numbers in order to be able to perform arithmetic operations. So I hope this video was informative, and thanks for viewing, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Let's meet in the next video.